How to delete all Google Photos at once. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the first row and you'll find circle option on top. It will select all the photos from that date. Simply scroll down and do the same with all, and then click on trash and then click on move to trash. After you've clicked on move to trash, the photos will be deleted all at once. You can also go to trash and delete from there as well. And this is how to delete all Google Photos at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time. Thank you for watching.